We finally have Bumbles back in the Treasure Valley. Trying to get a video of him. There he is. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe it. Haven't seen Bumblers for 15 plus years, and I'm seeing a Bumbler here at Walmart. This is a miracle. Maybe now that people are starting to pay attention and try to save honeybees, maybe we'll be bringing back the Bumblers too. I am so blessed. There's two of them. There's two of them, guys. I can't believe this. Look at him. I can zoom. Oh, there he is. Trying to get a close-up of him for you guys. This is a miracle. I am so excited. Now he's over here. I'm trying to capture him. Oh, he's beautiful. Oh, we'll look at the flowers until he comes back. I saw two giant Bumblers here, and I haven't seen them for 15 plus years. Wow. Let's just keep working to save the honeybees, and maybe we'll bring our Bumblers back. This is an exciting day, people. Wow. This definitely is a glorious day.